This is the MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 chipset and 16 GB RAM, 512 GB storage SSD. And let us check what we have. This is the laptop, 14-inch, weighs somewhere around 1.6 kg, and you get the cable, not the conventional one which you used to get with the older version of the Apple MacBook. This is kind of reliable and will last long, so pretty good upgrade. And next is the documentation part, where you can go through this to understand the product. So you have the logo, the sticker, manuals, and then you have the charger. This is the 14-inch version of MacBook Pro M1, and the charger is relatively smaller as compared to the older one for 16-inch, and this is for the 14-inch. You can see the size difference. 16-inch laptop and the new one, you can see the size difference. Let us try to unbox this. So now you can see the size difference between the 16-inch and the 14-inch.